So hello coders. So today in this video I am starting a new course on C++. So in this video you can start your journey in the world of programming. So I am Shubhadip Bhowmik, a second year student from Chandigarh University. I like to create Android and web applications, and in my free time I like to read and write technical blogs. So definitely you can check my all profiles provided in the description. So let's discuss who can start this course. Basically, I would like to say if you are a complete beginner, let's say you don't know about programming, nothing. So you can definitely start your programming journey from here. And second is, let's say you are a school student, you don't know about the world of programming, but you are like you hear from somebody that it is very cool thing. So you can definitely check it out from here. And second thing is, let's say if you are a university student or college student, and you are pursuing your BCA, BSc or BTech in CSC or whatever it is, and you are curious about programming, so definitely you can start your journey from here. So let's see what is the syllabus of C++. So first we'll check out the introduction to programming, where we'll get to know that why we needed the C++, and we actually little bit go through about the history of C++, why we needed the C++ over the C and COBOL, that sort of languages. After that we'll check it out the variables in C++ and which type of data is used in C++. And after that we'll check it out let's say operator and expression. Operator is nothing but like, let's say you if you are from math background, you know addition, division, that sort of things. Okay, after that we'll learn about the conditional statement, where we'll be able to understand, let's say there is a condition and you have to get some decision from that, so you can check it out. After that we'll go through the loops. Loops is you can understand from the word, basically doing the something or some task repeatedly. Okay, after that we'll be able to know what is pointer, what is the use of pointer. Basically in C and C++ and this sort of low level language, you will get the concept of pointers, but if you are from high level language like Python, Java, there is no concept of pointer. There you will have to learn about reference. And after that we'll learn about the sorting techniques, different how we can sort the arrays. Okay, after that we have to we'll learn about some searching techniques, searching methods, and we'll go through the string. Basically these are our complete syllabus in C++. After that we'll learn some advanced topics, those I will discuss when the course will be go through. So till then, keep coding and keep hustle. Okay, thank you.